Hello guys, this video will make your Android experience more better. But how? Let's see. Do you have problems with in-app purchases? You want to use certain tools of an app, those require purchase from Play Store. Or you wish to play the game to a further next level, but for that you need to update your ship or need more coins. But do not want to purchase. Obviously, why should we waste money on purchasing these tools? Further, what to do? We don't have any solution. We usually do is uninstall the game, let's play something else. But stop it now. You don't have to do it anymore. What's the solution? The solution is the Lucky Patcher. Apart from wasting the time for searching the modified APK on internet and downloading it, you can do that yourself within few minutes with the Lucky Patcher. With the Lucky Patcher, you can change permissions of the app, turn off the ads in the apps, do in-app purchases for free, and many more. Let's see how it works. Here is the Lucky Patcher. I've already downloaded it from the internet, and you can also download it yourself once you search on the Google. It's a very popular tool, although not known to many, but you can easily download it from Google. Now let's open it. How it looks. See, here are the options. Here are the list of applications that you have installed, and what you can do with it is also written here. The things that it has detected is every application wise it will tell you the Google ads found in this Bullet Force games. License verification can also be modified in this game. In-app purchases can also be done by the software. So there are a lot of things that you can do. Here are switches that you can turn it on, but this requires more knowledge of software so that you don't stuck in between. Otherwise it will create a mess. Like Google license verification emulation, you can emulate the Google license verification so that you don't have to do any kind of purchases, or in actual it is responsible for making it free. A lot of other things like mirroring original Google billing for in-app emulations, a lot of things that even I don't understand and I don't need to. So let's start with an example. Here is a game, the Aces. You also might have played it a lot of times. And here the problem is I've been playing it very well, but after a few stages I cannot go any further because I need to upgrade my pilots, my planes, and I'm ducking out of the stages. So I do not have enough money. As you can see, I can do this one, but not any further. And after that, it requires good coins that I get to purchase from the market, but I cannot do it. And I was about to uninstall the game, but I found how to correct it. Now let's do it with the Lucky Patcher. Open the Lucky Patcher. Here you will find your game Aces. Google Ads found, in-app purchases found. So what to do? Simply click on it. Here click on the open menu of patches. Now you have to create a modified APK. Instead of searching on internet and downloading it, you can do it yourself. Now there are a lot of options like without license verifications, APK without Google ads, no ads would be shown in the app. But all we need to do is APK rebuild for in-app and level emulation. Just do it as it's saying, rebuild this app. It will take a little time depending upon the phone you are using. I am using a Redmi Note 3, which is quite good. Let's just wait while it make the modification and create the APK. Well, we can only wait for a while. Yeah, here the patch pattern N2 was in success and other failed. So it's saying that there is no guarantee that it will work fine in the modified APK form. Definitely there is no guarantee, but we can only try. It's free, then why shouldn't we try? Let's go to the file. Here it is. The thing is, now if you install directly, it won't install, like I'll show you. Do you want to install? Yes. with the package installer. Install, and see, here is the error. That is because the certificates pattern that has been compromised by this app, and there has been few modifications that the phone don't allow, and it don't match the previous version of the app. So what you need to do is, first now you need to uninstall the game, and for that don't do it quickly, just make a backup of the game. So in any case, if you want to revert back your game, you can do it yourself, and I've already made a backup of this game. So now I must go for the uninstall immediately. The option is itself in here, the uninstall and install option. You don't have to do it manually, just uninstall. Yes, done. Now do it with this package installer and install. Wait for a while. Yeah, it's done now. Let's open. Okay, not a problem. I don't need to sign in. Here is the game. See, now problem is we didn't have the money. Now you don't need to worry about the money. I'll show you how. Here it is. The earlier the prices were too high. Now it's just 0 point something, just not even $1. It's just few cents, but you don't have to pay even the 0.2112 dollar. Now what you need to do is simply click on it, and here you'll see you want to get item free. Just click yes, and see you got the 5,000. And now let's try for further. See, you will keep on getting until you want. Now let's see even if we can use it properly or not. Yeah, we can use it. Let's upgrade a plane. Let's take the Panzer Menace. Plane speed max, super power max, bullet speed max. Great. The game looks very easy now. That's the problem. You don't have to use it too much because you will spoil the whole fun. What's the fun in the game of playing like this? That's the whole challenge. You have to collect the money and do the further upgradation. But if any point, if you are stuck at a place that you cannot earn anymore, you cannot just play it anymore, and you want to uninstall, then better finish it like the with the lucky patcher method. That's the only way you can do. So let's not play the game. Let's get back. Here, a lot of other things that you can do is with the like I'll show you in-app ads found. Okay, how to solve the problems of in-app ads. Let's open the menu of patches. Here, APK without Google Ads. Just rebuild the app, and it will make the app, and then again uninstall the app and install the app again, the modified app, and the advertisement will stop going in there, and you don't have to worry about the more ads. It consumes a lot of internet and data. That's not a problem. Well, I don't need to wait for it. We have already done it. Let's uninstall it. So here you see how to make things happen when it don't actually happening. You can do it in any other game, not just the game, with any other app. Any other app that require a tool, you can say like some video editor tools, those requires in-app purchases for a particular tools. You don't have to spend dollars, you don't have to search on internet for the modified APKs. All you can do is just yourself, just sitting at home. Within 5 minutes you can do it, and as accordingly how you want. You don't have to search on the internet. That's the most good way. Well, now there is a question. After you must be seeing the Clash of Clans thing here, you must be willing to try it with the Clash of Clans. But I got to warn you that it don't work with the Clash of Clans, because the Clash of Clans whole system is very different. It works on the client-based server interaction. The server, all your data is not saved in the APK. It's saved to the server, and even if you make the gems in your pocket, still you cannot make it to save to the server. For that, you have to hack into the server. That is really not possible, so leave this procedure for the Clash of Clan. Do it any other app, try it after you find it yourself if it works for you or not. And if you don't feel any time that it's not good, you can revert back your original app by going to the backup menu. Here in my phone, it's present here in additional settings. Here the backup, local backups. I've already created the backup of the Aces game. I can restore it anytime. I don't need to do it now. I'll play with the modified game first and then I'll think about it. So, hope you enjoy. Well, keep trying and thanks for watching the movie and watching the video.